system is actually pretty good. There's actually nothing wrong with it. It's just incredibly dirty. And it's dirtier than you would think. This actually needs degreasing. It's not just dirt, it's build up. And I'm using the Rubbermaid, I'm using the grout head on the Rubbermaid. So this is the stuff I used to clean, like, yeah, grout out of floor in tiles and bathrooms. And all the grease is stuck in here too. It's just so thick and sticky. So you're not going to get that off with a normal cleaner. You have to buy some really heavy duty stuff. One of my favourite ones is Too Easy from XO2 in Burley Heads. It removes blood. And now what I do is I wipe it off. But you can't leave that on there because it'll eat away into the metal. So you get your general cleaner, which is dishwashing soap, and spray it on after. So now we're taking the degreaser off. Otherwise you're going to ruin this thing if you leave it on there. Look at that, it's gone. We'll use the secret weapon is Ice Sparkle. So if it can shine, will shine more. Ice Sparkle will do it. This is also from XO2. It shines the metal. I'm really happy because finally I started one project and finished one project in the same day. It never happens. Usually I switch halfway and you gotta redo it because by then it'll get dirty.